Calculate the monthly payments on a 30-year mortgage of $95,000 at 8.1% compounded monthly. Also find the total paid for the house. So we are borrowing the $95,000 right now. So that is going to be the present value. And we are trying to pay off this loan, so the future value is going to be 0. The interest rate is 8.1. This is compounded monthly, so PYCY is 12. It's for 30 years, so N is going to be 30 times 12. And we are trying to find the monthly payment. So if we calculate this, it's going to be $703.71. So that is the monthly payment. Now, they also want us to find the total paid for the house. So how many monthly payments did we make? So we did 30 years times 12 months per year times 703.71. And if we calculate this, the total paid is $253,335.60.